In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under the subtopic concept of pH. So guys, we have 14 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following equimolar solutions has the highest conductivity? Alright, so we have these following compounds. We have tetraoxosulfuric acid, we have sodium hydroxide, we have triiosocarbonyl oxide, we have sodium acetate. So the right option will be option A. Okay, so this tetraoxosulfuric acid or sulfuric acid is a very strong acid, so it will have the highest conductivity. Okay, so the next question will be this one. It says if a solution has a pH of 2, it can be concluded that it is a weak electrolyte. No, we produce effervescent with magnesium reborn. Is twice as acidic as a solution of pH 1. No, has hydrogen ion concentration of 0.2 mole per dm cube. No. So right option will be option B. We produce effervescent with magnesium reborn. Alright, so strong acids, this solution of pH 2, a pH of 2 is an indication of a strong acid. So basically, strong acids react with metals to release hydrogen gas. So that evolution of hydrogen gas is effervescent. Okay, so when strong acids, example like hydrochloric acid, reacts with magnesium, so you're going to have an output of magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas being evolved. So right option is option B, effervescence with magnesium reborn. Next question will be this one. It says which of the following solutions containing 1 mole per dm cube of the compound will have the lowest pH? We have ethanoic acid, we have hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride, we have sodium hydrogen triiosocarbonate 4. Okay, so say which of the following solution contain 1 mole of the compound will have the lowest pH? The lowest pH will be this option. So the right option in this question will be option B, which is hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, so in the pH scale to have the lowest pH, so the pH will be around 1 or 2 thereabouts. Okay, so the next question will be this question. It says use the data below to arrange the body fluids mentioned in order of increasing acidity. So the right one here would be, the least one here is bile, okay, followed by urine, then gastric juice. So the order we have you should go for will be bile is less than urine, urine is less than gastric juice. So that's the right option, option D. Next question will be this one. It says the pH of 4 solutions, these are 11 respectively. Which of the following deductions about the solution is correct? Well, M is most alkaline solution. No. We have the pH of Q increased when the solution is diluted. No. The pH of N is increased when the solution is diluted. R is most acidic solution. So the right option will be option C. The pH of N is increased when the solution is diluted. So when you add water to the N, okay, the pH will increase because it will be less acidic. It will be approaching the 7th value, which is neutral. It will be less acidic. C is the right option. The next question with this one, it says when chlorine is passed through a sample of water, the pH of the water sample would be, so it will be less than 7, because when chlorine reacts with water, you're going to have hydrochloric acid as one of the outputs. So hydrochloric acid is acidic, which is less than 7. So the pH of acid is less than 7. Right option is option D. Next question is this one. So guys, before we attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. We really appreciate this. This question says if an element R belongs to the same group as sodium, an actual solution of this, we don't know what R is, ROH will be. So if R belongs to the same group as sodium, so it could be potassium, So let's assume R could be potassium. So when you substitute R with potassium, this will give potassium hydroxide, so which is a base, right? So and the base has a pH more than 7. So the right option would be option D, have pH greater than 7. The next question will be this one. It says the pH of this value solution of this and this were measured. Which the following statements have the values of obtained is correct? Their pH values added up to 14. No, the pH value of ethanoic acid was the highest. Okay, the pH values of hydrochloric acid and tetraoxosulfuric acid solution are equal. No, it can't be equal. The pH value was equal to 5 in each case. This won't be correct. So the right option would be option B, because out of this acid here, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, tetraoxosulfuric acid is a strong acid, so their pH value will be very low, around 1, 2. Okay, but ethanoic acid is a weak acid, so it has to have a pH higher than 1, 2, 3. So its pH value will be around 5, 6 thereabout. So it will have the pH value of this ethanoic acid for the highest. Okay, so right option B, option B. Next question will be this one. It says aqueous sodium triiodocarbonate solution is alkaline because the salt is not decomposed by heat, no fully ionized in water, no formed from a strong base, no hydrolyzed in water. Yes, so the right option is option D. Next question will be this one. It says an aqueous solution is acidic if pH value is high. No, it contains more hydrozonium ion than hydroxyl ion. Yes, that's the right option. It's cohesive. No, it changes the color of this most. No, so the right option is option B. Next question will be this one. It says which of the following substances with a corresponding pH value is alkali. So the right option will be option B, which is milk of magnesia 10.5. So pH value alkali or alkaline solution has a pH more than 7. So the right option is option B. Next question will be this one. It says which of the following pH values indicates that the solution is a strong base. So it will be option B, which is 13. Okay, so strong bases have a pH from 12, 13 and 14. Okay, weak bases have a pH around 8, 9, 10, 11, thereabouts. Okay, strong bases around 12, 13, 14. Alright, so right option is option B. The next question will be this one. It says a solution of pH 7 is, so this is a simple question, neutral, option C. Last question for end this video with this one. It says an aqueous solution which has pH greater than 7 is, so greater than 7, that's a base, right? So the right option will be option B. So sodium carbonate is a base. Okay, so this basically can do a problem involving concept of pH for your WASSCE chemistry. We practice with about 30 to 40 replay questions in this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. So I already know this, click on the next and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.